Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use custom mode in Suno AI, a powerful feature that lets you create personalized songs by controlling lyrics, styles and more. Let's get started by opening a browser and then in the search bar suno.com. Once you search for it, log into your Suno account and then simply tap on create. So once you're inside the create section, you want to make sure custom is selected. Once you make sure custom is selected, this unlocks extra control for your song. In the custom mode, you can type in your own lyric or paste existing ones in the lyric box, and this lets you control exactly what the song says. Now, scroll below and inside here you can simply choose your music style. Add your own preferred music styles in the style input box and then separate multiple styles with commas if you want to mix genres. You can even add prompts to guide the mood, tempo or vibe of your song, for example uplifting, slow or intense. So after that, decide whether you want a full vocal track or just instrumental by toggling on the instrumental option. So once you're happy with your input, you want to go ahead and simply tap on create and Suno AI will generate a custom song based on your exact preferences. That is simply how you can use custom mode in Suno AI. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.